vacation home giving its guests special Hollywood treatment.
Yes, and this house is going all out with the Hollywood glam. That's because its unique decor is inspired by several movies.
Many we've enjoyed over the years, like Jumanji and Titanic, Jurassic Park. News 6 at 9's Carolina Cardona visited the home in Davenport and shows us more.
At first glance, this house seems like any regular home, but once inside, the red carpet is rolled out and you're immediately transported into Hollywood. This house has 14 bedrooms. Each one has a theme from an iconic movie film.
We were like, what will capture the imagination of people?
This is the world's best vacation rental home. It truly is. It truly is.
Emmanuel and Margus had a vision 2 years ago. They first started with a vacation rental home inspired by the 7 continents. Their most recent venture has been glammed up Hollywood style.
Our main clientele comes over here for the Disney and for the sun. They want to go to the beach, they want to go shopping.
Emmanuel, an investor, did some research and says he chose 14 of the most famous movies of all time. From Back to the Future to Ghostbusters, Breakfast at Tiffany's, The Wizard of Oz, Indiana Jones, Jaws, and E.T., the details in this house are giving guests a one-of-a-kind experience.
We've all felt so comfortable here. It feels like home. It's been a wonderful experience. The comfort, the amenities are amazing here. This is something for all ages.
Jeffrey Contini and his family are visiting from Ohio. His favorite movie is about the Corleone family, The Godfather. Sure enough, it's the theme for one of the bedrooms.
This is an exceptional 5-star home that we want people to really enjoy it.
The vacation rental is more than 6,200 square feet. It includes a mini bowling alley, a pool, and an arcade room. And if you want to enjoy a movie night, you've got your own theater in the living room. The house sleeps up to 36 people with 14 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
One of the most unique rooms is literally like being out of this world.
We needed a home that is big enough to be able to accommodate our ideas.
The dynamic duo has plans for a third vacation-themed rental house, set to open in December. For now, the theme is a secret, but he says it will raise the bar even higher with more creativity.
How in the world could we do this? I don't know, but one thing I can tell you is that don't ever give up. Just keep pushing, even when there is no reason to keep pushing, keep pushing.
The house is located about 20 minutes from the theme parks in Orlando. Price to rent this vacation home varies on the season. In Davenport, I'm Carolina Cardona, News 6 at 9.
And if you're wondering about the amenities, the homes include full kitchen, brand new linens, washer and dryer, because I have a feeling you'll be staying there for quite some time.
Yes, I'm in. So if you'd like 2 free nights, you can sign up for a raffle. I know. Do we need to sign up? Okay, so you have to sign up by 5 o'clock Friday. You can enter the raffle. The winner will be announced on March 2nd. And you can, of course, find that information on clickorlando.com.
Can't wait to see what's next, though. But this is becoming so popular with these themed homes. And people want that sort of home away from home feel as well. So that brings it to you.
Yeah. I like it.
I mean, it probably is very pricey, but if you can sleep 35, 40 people.
Pile them in there.
Yeah, that'd be a fun weekend for a group of people.
Yeah, maybe some team building for News 6 at 9.
Exactly. I get the Titanic bedroom.
Okay.
Oh, dibs.